That felt so good. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. Where have you been all my life? Where have you been? Oh my God. Yes. I can see clearly now. Oh my God. Yes, I feel a complete difference.
Deep breath in and out.
Yes. Oh, that's what I needed. This is like a slice of heaven, girl. This is so life changing. This is life changing. Good. This is good. This is definitely good.
Deep breath in and out.
Come book an appointment. Come book an appointment. It hit the spot that we said. Yes. Yes. Yes, the spot that. Oh my God. Come book an appointment. Book one today. Now. Immediately. Don't even think about it. It's completely worth it. You are dope. You're dope. You're dope.